How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Chalcedony monoslope. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and today I'm showcasing a fan favorite by the name of the Chalcedony. I have showcased this home in the past, but you know if I bring it back a second time, I have to do some additional characteristics to change it up. And I've done it today with the Chalcedony monoslope. First being the name. I've added a monoslope roof line to this model. So that way it's lower on one side, and as it transfers to the other side, it rises. So that adds a more modern, contemporary aspect to this model. Also, this Chalcedony right now, as you see it, is 11 feet wide. It's 42 feet in length, and that's including the 8-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $97K. $97,000 for the first person that hits Mr. Tiny up and asks for the Chalcedony monoslope. And that's coming with everything you see besides furniture and decorations. But with that said, that's today. I can't help you next week, next month, next year, whenever you're watching that. That price is today. So you better get in line and hit me up immediately. But starting here on the exterior of the Chalcedony monoslope, you'll see I've chosen to go with the garlic clove exterior base. We did the black magic trim as well as the fascia and the post. So that way that perfect color coordination goes together. So as well, you'll see to coordinate, we've added the black tops on the rails as well as the rebar railing also. And then as you come up onto the porch, this is 8 feet of exterior living space on the Chalcedony. So this makes a great model for anyone looking to enjoy outdoor living in a 399 square foot tiny home. And as you see, as you come onto the porch, we've got 2 can lights. It's already wired and braced for a ceiling fan. And then we have a single window up front. So with that said, this makes a great model for anyone. Now I can talk about the outside all day. Follow me inside so I can showcase the characteristics that we've got in this Chalcedony monoslope. And as you come in, you can see right here, with this being a monoslope roof line, we're going to have the shorter side right here, and then it's going to rise. So that adds a very open and airy feeling when you walk into the model. Now, what I've done for you today, I have no electricity in this home. You know I do that from time to time just to showcase the natural light that you're getting in this model. It is 1 o'clock in the evening, and you can see Mr. Tiny saving you on your electric expenses. But as we come in, you can see right here in this model, in the living area, you've got enough space to accommodate a small couch. You could do a love seat, a larger couch if you really wanted. You could even do a small sectional in this living area and have enough space to do so. Specifically with us adding a clear story window right here, it gives ample space down below to accommodate furniture. And then we've got the window up front, again, like I said, on the exterior, bringing in that light. We've got the ceiling fan centered right there with the white blades, and then we have the built-in entertainment center. What this is great for is the additional storage down below, but then also you have the 3 cabinets right over here to the side that offers additional storage space for you as well. Now, I love the flow right here from the living area into the kitchen. And what I love about this Chalcedony model is that it has the extended bar countertop here. And what we've done with that is we extend this so that way you have some more seating space. You put a stool in here, you've got a nice place to eat if you want to do so. Or the other option for you is you can put a small bistro or drop leaf table right here in front of this window and have enough space to eat and enjoy this if you wanted to utilize this space right here as additional storage, because we have that in there for you as well. And as you can see, we've got the swirling smoke interior paint going throughout the home. We have the praline anti-coat countertops coming through right here. We have the Edgeman flooring going around, and this complements a great aesthetic inside this home. But before we go through the rest, I want to show you this lovely look of the loft that is centralized. We've added the rebar rails, the same ones that were on the porch, we chose to add right here in the centralized loft. But what's great about this is the front of the home is at the elevated height, so it does not feel claustrophobic in 399 square feet. But then as you make your way to the center in the kitchen area, the roof line and the ceiling drops for you. So that way we have enough space to accommodate the loft. And then as we go to the rear into the bedroom, it opens back up. So all of that pairs together nicely in this Chalcedony monoslope. But with that said, you can see right here the abundance of countertop space you get, and this countertop just going along with the Arctic white subway tile going from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinets. We even added the nickel bar pulls on this as well, and that complements the stainless steel appliances. Smooth top oven, microwave up above that, and then directly across we have the stainless steel one basin farm sink. You've seen them, and you will see them again. This, I can't keep these in stock because so many people are wanting to add these stainless steel farm sinks to their models. Also, detachable sprayer right here. And then you've got additional cabinetry down below, up top, and additional drawers for your silverware, etc. We kept that subway tile going on the opposite side as well. And then we have the side-by-side refrigerator here for you also. So that makes a great full-size appliance for you in a 399 square foot tiny home. Now follow me over and we'll take it into the restroom. And as you see here, we have the sink, everything that you're going to get in a bathroom. Toilet here centered, window up above the toilet, and then this is a fan favorite, which is the 48-inch tile shower with the Carrara marble tile, and we've added that in a vertical pattern. We chose to go with the cream grout in this model. And then also, as always, we got to elevate the interior ceiling above your shower. So that way, again, if you're over 6 foot like myself, you've got enough space to accommodate in a 399 square foot tiny home. Now follow me on out and we'll make our way to the rear of the home. And as we make our way to the rear, you know I got to throw in some extra in here for you as well. And you can see right here, we've got the built-in desk. So a lot of you guys working from home, you've got children that you're looking to accommodate in a 399 square foot tiny home. Hey, their places upstairs in the loft, they got their bedroom, but down here, if they got to do that homework, sit down, get it done. We've got additional space here, and even in the cabinetry, we've got adjustable shelving. So no matter the height, we can make it right. And then right here across, we have the space for the stackable wash machine and dryer. So that fits in snug over there to the side, and that is towards the rear of the home, so that way guests do not have to worry about seeing that as they enter your tiny home. Then as you come in, you make it to the main bedroom. Right here on the first level, you can see that we have enough space right here that we chose to add in the dual barn doors. We have the built-in 4-drawer dresser in the center. We have the space up above that we've etched out for a TV if you would like to add one. Some guests, hey, they don't want to have any TV in here, so they just put some decor and some other items up there if you like. What I love about our models is that we finish out the top of the closet, so that way you have additional storage or decor space up top as well. We've got the window here off the rear, bringing in that natural light. We've got the additional white cabinet here to cover up your electrical panel box. And then guys, because I told you the loft was centralized, what do you get? Hey, if you subscribe like you should be, and if you've been paying attention to this video, you get the elevated bedroom space. So in your bedroom, you have up to 10-foot sidewalls in here. So you got this raised sidewall on this side. We threw in a clear story window. We have a ceiling fan here centered, but this makes it where you can wake up in the morning and make it where you can make a good stretch happen right here in a tiny home. A lot of them tiny home shows you be watching, you can't do that. But if you talk to Mr. Tiny, we can make that happen for you. Now you see this space here. Let's take it back through and show you the great space up top in the loft. So you follow me through and you can see right here, just the flow of this floor plan, it feels so much larger than 399 square feet. But what I also love about this model is in the Chalcedony monoslope, you have the 2 large landing steps right here before you make it up to the side. So you don't gotta crawl up no ladders up in here. You ain't gotta go down the fireman pole. You ain't gotta do that. You got the space right up here. So, hey, anybody can get up here. So you guys follow me up and I'll show you the loft in the Chalcedony monoslope. Now we are in the loft of the Chalcedony monoslope. And as you can see, because the loft is centralized, like I've said earlier, the wall stops here. So the other side of this is going to be where your primary bedroom begins. But right here, you got this additional space that you can utilize however you wish. Whether you want to put some mattresses up here, you want to put some bean bags, you want to put a, you know, just a lounge area, whatever you want. This could be a second living area if you choose to. That's why we've added it, because it does not count towards square footage. Since I can't walk around up here, we do not have to count it as square feet. So this is just extra space that you can accommodate however you wish. But here in the Chalcedony monoslope, again, you got the roof line that's lower on one side. It elevates it as it goes to the opposite side. But we've also included the clear story windows in here as well to bring in that natural light. But even here in this loft space, we chose this time to add the Rolling Thunder carpet in here as well. So when you've got to crawl around, you got to move around, sit down and chill, feels nice, feels lovely, feels luxurious up here in the Chalcedony monoslope. So we've added that touch in there for you. And as you can see, we've added the additional rebar railing in the loft, which you can pan down to the main living area and see how much space you get in 399 square feet in the Chalcedony monoslope. So this is plenty of living space for you and guests, you and your family, you and whoever you want to show that you can go tiny and live big while still going tiny. So again, this is the Chalcedony monoslope. This model is 11 feet wide. It is 42 feet long, and that's including that 8-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $97K, $97,000. You hit me up about the Chalcedony monoslope, and we'll see what we can do to send it your way. And again, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that so you know that I am showcasing videos that you enjoy, and you can let me know your feedback. Also, by running down to the comment section, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the Chalcedony monoslope was today. Let me know if you enjoyed the monoslope version or if you've enjoyed the traditional Chalcedony in the traditional roof line and the larger loft that goes over your back bedroom. You let me know so that way I know what models to continue to create for you in the future. Also, if you're subscribed, like you should be, then you know these videos are coming out every week. So I appreciate you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, you better run and hit that button already. So that way you can see new videos each and every week. Everything from 399 square foot tiny homes, like I've showcased today, all the way up to single section and multi-section homes up to 2,500 square feet. And again, if you want to contact me directly, run on over to Instagram at @TheMrTiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Chalcedony monoslope as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night and I'll make sure that price is right. And again, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.